from the 10th standard mathematics subject. Here, question taken from the quadratic equation. Here, the question is factorize root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here, how to factor this question, especially by factors method. You take that, I want to take this equation as 3 parts. Here x square follows x and 5 root 2. It is in the standard form. When it is in the standard form, take that into 3 parts. First, second and third. Here it multiply always first and third. Okay. Here first and third means, here first term is root 2 x square into third term 5 root 2. Okay. You have to multiply. Here rational factor is what? 1. Here 5. Multiply rational factors. 1 5 is 5. Here root 2 into root 2. Actually root 2 into root 4, whose value is what? 2. So I want to take 2x square. After that multiply this. 5 2 is what? 10x square. Okay. Here product of the first and third term becomes what? 10x square. For this we have to take the factors. You know that one. 10 have the factors. In this case 2 5 Here adding these two terms, we should get the middle term coefficient. Here distribute the power 1x and 1x here. Here add these two, you are getting the what? 2x plus 5x. That becomes the what? 7x. Okay. In place of 7x, what can I write? Root x plus 5x. Okay. Here I want to write that as root 2 x square plus, in place of 7x, you have to write 2x plus 5x. 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to what? 0. Here I want to write this 2 as root 2 into root 2. Why? Root 2 into root 4, whose value is 2 only. So on that basis, here root 2x square plus this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2x. The reason very simple. You are able to take the root 2 as common factor. That is the purpose. After that, 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here I want to split into factors. Root 2 x square can be written as x into x plus root 2 into x plus 5 into x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here observe that one, root 2x and root x common factor. Take that outside the bracket. Root 2x is outside the bracket. Inside the bracket x is left plus, here root 2 is not underlined, that also left inside the bracket, plus here 5 is the common factor, means you may call that one also highest common factor. Here take that 5 is factorized. Inside the bracket x is left and root 2 is left is equal to 0. After that observe that one, x plus root 2 and x plus root 2 common binomial. I want to factor this one. So if you factor that one, means take that outside, means highest common factor, that is x plus root 2 is kept outside the bracket. Here inside the bracket write 2x plus 5 is equivalent to 0. After that, here it has two factors. Number of factors depending upon degree of the given equation. It is a quadratic equation. It has two factors. And separately I want to treat each factor is equal to 0. Then x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Here it is a binomial transpose, that becomes minus. That is x is equivalent to minus root 2. After that, here take the second factor, root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. In between plus sign is there, it is a binomial. Transpose this 5, means separate this 5 from first. Here root 2x is equivalent to minus 5. Here integration is there, cross multiply this, that go to denominator of minus 5. that root 2 is cross multiplied. On that basis x would have what minus 5 by root 2. Therefore it is having two solutions. This quadratic equation two zeros. By factorization method it is easy to solve. So one root is what minus root 2, another root is what minus 5 by root 2. In this way you may factor. This is the easiest method. Here the thing is very simple. 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Reason is very simple. Root 2 into root 2 means root 4, whose value is what? That is a 2 only. So on the basis, here 2 is taken as root 2 into root 2.